Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Lisa Stavno. I'm Lisa. This is the third video I'm putting up about journals going into my Etsy shop. So I just want to do some quick flip through so you'll have an idea. And let's get started. This section will be under animals. It is elephants and 2 kittens. This kit is Gentle Giants from Ellsiebelsbookshelf. She will be linked below. Okay, this journal is 5.5 by 9. It is 56 pages front and back. It is 1 signature. The cover is scrapbook paper and it has decoupage on it and maps of Africa and India where you find elephants still. And I will stick that down. And like I said, this is the kit Gentle Giants from Ellsiebelsbookshelf. This is a pocket from old book pages. This is a notepad made out of guest checks. Coloring sheet. This looked like elephant skin to me. The fun fact is there's a bunch of huge tags like this in here, and they have facts and myths about elephants on the back. So this might be fun if you're going to a zoo to take them. To learn stuff, write down what you see, take pictures and put them in here. Souvenirs, this is felt with buttons. I used a lot of grays to mimic elephants, grays and browns. A lot of journaling cards. This is another big tag with some facts and fiction on it. Like I said, fun for going to the zoo. This is another, just a big tag to write on. There's a lot of big tags because elephants are big. And I wanted it to kind of be, you know, proportionate, even though the journal is not big, because I wanted it to also be where you could carry it. It has a lot of booklets. There's a little booklet. It has a coloring page and just journaling pages, cards. And it's made from an old book page. And that's a tuck spot. There's a lot of ephemera. And then this is a bag that opens up, and inside is a tuck spot and what elephants mean. Like I said, this would be super cute to use if you homeschool and you're on a zoo trip. This would be good if you have somebody that loves elephants and wants to do a fundraiser to save elephants. This would be super cute for that. It's got vintage paper in it, journaling cards. Lots of places to write information if you want to do a, you know, a fundraiser, or if you want to record a trip to the zoo. This would be great. There's that pretty paper again. There's a bag back here. You could stick brochures, information to share with others. So yes, this one will be listed under Gentle Giants on my Etsy shop, and these 2 are Kitten Memoirs Purple and Kitten Memoirs Gold. This kit is from Tsunami Rose. I will link her shop below, and they're different sizes. So we'll start with Kitten Memoirs Purple. This one is 36 pages total, front and back, 1 signature, 9 inches by 5 3/4. It is made from a white mailing envelope. Used this fun purple trim. It has this great coffee dyed rose paper that you can't get anymore. The shop closed. Has this fun unicorn ribbon from Pixie Bees and Knees. Anyway, I'll link her below. Great shop, good friend. And it has a bag and it has a big tag. That this is Kitten Memoirs from Tsunami Rose. Stamped a cat there. Some washi. This is just fussy cut from the kit. You could use it to decorate somewhere else. Lots of pockets. Lots of journaling cards. Vintage music paper. Some tickets. Text spot. And the back is blank. You can make your own, you know, put your pictures, write something about it. And I left the back open too. It's a big old pocket. Okay. Oh, that goes to the elephants. And then the next one, this is Kitten Memoirs Gold. It is 9 by 6, and it is 48 pages, so it's a tad bigger. You open it up, the front is blank. You can decorate yourself with pictures. And this is Certificate of Awesomeness, because cats think they're awesome. Cat language. Thought that was fun. That is not from the kit. That is just something I added. This is a pocket. It's 2 bags together. I stamped the cat on. This is a big tag. And then this is another tag. And I have another pocket. It's got some gold I had. This is gold, like, oh, what do you call it? I just went blank. Felt, only it's gold. I don't know. And this is like a satin ribbon, tuck spot. It's got lace from a vintage wedding dress on it. This is a bag with gold. This is some more of that rose coffee dyed paper that the store is no longer open. Vintage music paper. This I found on the internet. My cat is bred. I thought that was cute. Then the center is a piece of felt, bright pink. This is very feminine. So, you know, if mom, aunt, or somebody loves their cats a lot, this is for them. So there's a lot in here, a lot of pages, more coffee dyed rose, the other page, another big cat tag, and a book page that flips out, and then some fun cat facts that I found again on the internet, and then tuck spot and the back. Okay, so these will be under Kitten Memoirs Purple and Kitten Memoirs Gold. So be sure and check them out. And they're all 3 of these journals are under animals on my Etsy shop. So yeah, thank you.